You want to get more followers on both TikTok and Instagram without posting extra content? Most people never connect their two accounts, which means they are missing out on free followers every single day. In less than 1 minute, I'll show you how to add your TikTok profile to your Instagram bio, so anyone visiting your Instagram can instantly follow you on TikTok. Step 1. Open TikTok. Start by opening the TikTok app on your phone. At the bottom right corner, tap Profile to open your TikTok profile page. Now, open your profile options. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the menu icon. A menu will appear with several options. Copy your TikTok profile link. Find and select Share Profile. If you don't see it, click on QR code. Next, choose Copy Link. TikTok will automatically copy your profile link to your clipboard. Now, open the Instagram. Now, leave TikTok and open the Instagram app. Go to your profile page by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Edit your Instagram profile. On your profile page, tap Edit Profile. So guys, here, look for the link section. If your version of Instagram shows your website link instead, open that instead. So here is it. Click on Add Link. Click on it again, the plus sign. Tap on the URL. Now, paste your TikTok profile link into the available field and give it permission. When you finish, tap Done or the check mark to save your changes. That is it. Now, anyone who visits your Instagram profile can simply tap your TikTok link and follow you there instantly. This is one of the easiest ways to grow both accounts because your Instagram followers can now discover your TikTok with a single tap. If this tutorial helps you, give it a like and share it with someone who wants more followers on social media. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick Android, TikTok, and Instagram tips that actually work. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out.